In database design, an entity represents a real-world object, like an employee. Attributes are the specific properties that describe this entity, such as an ID or a status. Attributes can be complex. Composite attributes, like name, split into first and last names. Multi-valued attributes, like skills, hold multiple values. Derived attributes, like age, are calculated from other data like date of birth. When we map entities to databases, attributes become columns and records become rows. To ensure each record can be distinguished from all others, we must define database keys. A superkey is any set of attributes that uniquely identifies a record. A candidate key is a minimal superkey, meaning it has no redundant attributes and is a candidate to become the unique identifier. From our candidate keys, we select one primary key. This key must uniquely identify every record, must never be null, and should remain stable over time to ensure database integrity. By mastering entities, attributes, and keys, you can model real-world data cleanly. These concepts form the bedrock of database design, turning complex requirements into structured, reliable tables.